Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Microsoft Edge app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Microsoft Edge app, or just click here on search. Then here at Edge app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. So you go to your Play Store, click on it here. You search here for Microsoft Edge. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here please click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.